Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for stopping by. On today's video, I'm going to show you a few tips how to replace and correctly identify a key fob battery. And if your car is showing this message or this symbol on the dashboard, you need to try this now. Right guys, as we can see, this is a Nissan key fob, and what we need to do first is remove the key fob. To do that, you need to press that button to the left and it will unlock the key blade, and now we can easily remove it. After this, we will need to find a flat screwdriver, not too big, not too small, but just wide enough to fit into that little slot, and then insert the screwdriver and gently give it a little twist, and sort of where you can see a little gap. Now to completely separate the casing, go to the side to the little gap and insert just a tiny little hair, the screwdriver, and twist it, the screwdriver again, but with caution, because you don't want to damage the actual circuit board when inserting the actual screwdriver. So as we can see, the actual coil and the circuit board, the copper coil is way too close, so you don't need to go way too far, because if you do that you might damage the actual circuit board. Now we can have a little look, visual inspection, just to make sure that the circuit board is okay. Now going to the other casing, now we can remove the actual battery, and also we can visually inspect and have a little look and test and feel the actual pins, which are basically the contact between the battery and the circuit board. They can get a little bit dirty. If they do so, obviously the key fob will not operate properly, and usually it will come up like the very common warning saying key fob not recognized, and then behind the actual battery you can actually identify the correct battery number. On this case is CR2025. It is the correct key fob battery for this key fob, and we can reinstall the or replace with a brand new battery, and then reinstall all the casings and all the components on a reverse way. And that's about it, guys. This is one of the ways that you can replace and identify the correct battery for your Nissan key fob. So I hope this video helped someone out there who might be struggling with this issue. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.